Yeah. I'm gonna wait for a whole group of zombies to gang up on me so I can. Hey, I'm gonna help you out. Come here. Oh, hold on. Hey, don't shoot, you dumb bitch. Alright, come on. This is good. Oh, I think this is good. Bitch. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna set my camera up. You stop, you ugly boy.
Well, actually, look what it has inside of it.
What?
LED trash. Sorry. Hold on. Yeah. Take a body. Don't be scared to take it too. Hold it someplace where I
Good.
nitty fried. Yeah. Alright,
Stop
who
calling me. I
Roblox?
swear to God, I'm gonna block him.
Oh my god.
Hold on, let me block him.
Anyways.
He doesn't ruin the smash.
Wait, did I play this game? No, too late. I ain't know the that's a two. Stupid. Oh, you're dumb.
That thing looks like if Lego made a ceiling fan.
Maybe.
Whoa. Oh, you too close. Speed.
This thing might be.
Get your bread, man. What number?
What do you mean?
So I add you to my contacts.
Yeah, why?
Yeah, contacted with you just in case if you wanna meet, I'll add you and stuff.
I'm good.
I'll let you
My phone is almost up on storage, but maybe when I get some more, maybe.
Oh, okay, he's not. Hey, where y'all getting ice cream from?
Can I show you the ugliest thing I made?
Where y'all getting ice cream from? Before I take that.
Bro, look at this thing. The blades are loose.
Oh. Bye-bye, you. Bye-bye, emo.
I guess that is sort of true.
Bye-bye, emo. Alright. I'm finna go eat. Yeah, I'll stay on the...
Who's saying it?
Isaiah, how do you keep getting your accounts? Should I get him on?
How is it still? Stop it till it falls.